Imagine discovering a food that can transform your vitality, improve your eyesight, take care of your skin, and even offer unparalleled protection to your immune system. A real nutritional treasure that you may never have given the attention it deserves. This isn't just another common ingredient in your kitchen. It's a real natural powerhouse that can take your health to a surprising level. But don't worry, I'll soon reveal what I'm talking about. Before that, it's important to reflect on the fast pace that most of us face on a daily basis. How many times have you opted for something quick and convenient to eat, without considering the impact of these processed foods on your body? It's understandable. With so many obligations, it's easy to fall into the trap of industrialized options, loaded with preservatives, fats, and ingredients that, in the long run, seriously compromise our health. These choices often lead us into a routine of constant fatigue, dull skin, weakened immune systems, and other problems that seem inevitable over time. But the good news is that, with a simple change to your menu, you can turn the tide in your favor. The solution? A food that's affordable, delicious, and easy to include in your diet. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but I can assure you that it is capable of providing essential nutrients that the body needs to function at its full potential. If you're ready to discover a secret that can transform your eating routine and boost your health, then stick with me. Because what follows could be the simplest and most powerful step you take to look after yourself. Now imagine having a rich source of vitamins A, C, K, potassium, and fiber at your disposal, something that can be consumed raw, cooked, or in juices, adapting to your routine without complicating your day. This special food offers powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals, helping to prevent premature aging and maintaining cellular health. In addition, regular consumption helps maintain clear vision and more radiant skin. If you value natural solutions for looking after your health and want to improve your quality of life, you're about to discover a valuable ally. So get ready. The secret to a more balanced and energetic life is within your reach. This powerful food is the carrot, and it has a long and fascinating history. Originating in the region that today corresponds to Afghanistan, it was cultivated thousands of years ago and spread around the world due to its numerous health benefits. Today, it is considered one of the most popular and versatile vegetables in healthy diets. Its nutrients include vitamin A, essential for eye health. It strengthens night vision and prevents age-related eye problems. Vitamin C, potent antioxidant that helps protect the immune system and produce collagen for firmer skin. Vitamin K, important for blood clotting and maintaining bone health. Potassium, essential for the balance of fluids in the body, helps regulate blood pressure. Fiber, improves digestion and promotes satiety, helping to control weight. Main benefits: improved vision. Thanks to the high concentration of vitamin A, it contributes to clearer vision and prevents eye degeneration. Strengthens the immune system. The antioxidants present fight infections and strengthen the body's natural defenses. Skin health. The presence of vitamin C and antioxidants helps fight free radicals, promoting younger, healthier skin. Blood pressure control. Potassium helps relax blood vessels, reducing the risk of hypertension. Healthy digestion. The fibers keep the intestines working regularly and help prevent digestive problems. Helps control weight. Because it is rich in fiber and has a low calorie density, it promotes satiety without compromising your diet. Including carrots regularly in your diet can be one of the simplest and most effective steps towards achieving balanced health and full well-being. For many people, the idea of transforming their health with a single food seems distant. But by introducing carrots consistently into your routine, the benefits become evident and tangible over time. Let's explore how to do this in a practical and effective way. How to include carrots in your daily routine. Raw. Ideal as a healthy snack, in salads or cut into strips for quick snacks. In addition to preserving all the nutrients, it promotes satiety and helps control appetite. Cooked. Accompanies hot dishes such as stews, soups, and casseroles. Cooking it lightly retains most of the nutrients and makes the texture more pleasing to many palates. In juices, combines perfectly with orange, lemon, and ginger, enhancing the antioxidant and revitalizing effect of the juice. Purees and sauces adds a creamy texture and mild flavor to recipes, replacing less healthy options. Roasted. When seasoned with olive oil, herbs, and spices, it becomes a delicious and nutritious accompaniment to main meals. Expected results with regular consumption. Visible skin improvement. After a few weeks of regular consumption, many people report more radiant and even skin due to the action of antioxidants and vitamin C. Clearer vision. The vitamin A in carrots is essential for healthy vision, especially as we get older. Increased energy and vitality. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and fiber promotes a constant level of energy throughout the day, avoiding peaks of tiredness. Strengthens the immune system. With regular consumption, the body becomes more resistant to seasonal infections such as colds and flu. Optimized digestion. The fibers in carrots help maintain intestinal health and promote efficient digestion. Transforming small habits, such as including carrots in your meals, can lead to a major revolution in your well-being. After all, taking care of your health with natural and powerful foods is a direct investment in quality of life. Imagine taking a bite of that carrot and feeling your energy renew itself in a way you never imagined. With each bite, you begin to notice how your body grows stronger, your mind clears, and your health takes a surprising turn. A simple carrot transforming your life. And that's just the beginning. On our channel, you'll find countless videos about powerful foods that can dramatically improve your health. Don't forget to check out our exclusive playlist, full of amazing tips right after you finish this video. Your journey to a healthier life starts here. Before I say goodbye, I want to ask you a favor. Share this video with everyone you know who needs to know about the power of food. Send it to your friends, family, anyone who could benefit from this health transformation. And, of course, don't forget to browse the channel. We have several videos on magical foods that will dramatically improve your health. Feel free to explore and continue this journey with us. Until the next video, and take care of yourself.